Have you ever wondered why, while some people seem to use every minute to move forward, find yourself struggling to hold on to even a few precious moments? Yes, we have all been there. Some people seem to have mastered the art of time, turning every second into a chance for success, while others watch their dreams slowly fade. They know exactly what they want, and they aren't afraid to take control of every minute. So why aren't you doing the same? Master Your Time by Thibaut Meurisse shines a light on the secret behind why time works for some people and not for others. This audiobook isn't just another pep talk, it's a step-by-step guide designed to help you grab your schedule and turn every moment into a chance for success. It will lead you from the very first awareness of lost time to setting clear routines and simple plans that make sure you never let a day go wasted again. What makes this book special is that every chapter comes with a practical plan, a kind of exercise that you can follow to unlock the hidden potential of your hours. So if you're ready to stop watching time slip away and start using its true power, keep reading to learn the secrets of mastering your time. Have you ever stopped to think that time is the most valuable thing you have? Every minute is like a small treasure, and that once spent can never be recovered. This book reminds us that time is more precious than money because money can be earned again. But time, once lost, is gone forever. Thibaut Meurisse challenges you to look closely at your daily life. How much of your time is truly spent on things that help you reach your dreams, and how much of it is lost to distractions and small tasks? Imagine that your day is a treasure chest, filled with many small gems, each gem representing a minute, an opportunity, a chance to do something meaningful. Now, what if you found out that many of these gems were being carelessly wasted on activities that add little value to your life? This realization is the first step to taking back your day and understanding that every minute is an investment in your future. Have you ever caught yourself mindlessly scrolling on your phone, losing track of time as you get pulled into the digital world? Thibaut Meurisse calls these moments time thieves. These are the habits and interruptions that quietly steal your productivity without you even noticing. Whether it's getting lost in social media feeds, being constantly interrupted by emails, or simply delaying important tasks, these time thieves can leave you feeling frustrated and unfulfilled. The book gives you a chance to find these culprits. It urges you to do a time check, tracking your activities for a few days to see exactly where your minutes are going. Once you notice these habits, you can begin to fight back. Imagine taking back those lost minutes and using them to fuel your true passions. This isn't just about cutting out distractions, it's about being aware of how you spend your precious time and taking active steps to protect it. Have you ever set a goal only to see it slowly fade as the chaos of the day takes over? Success starts with clear thinking and the ability to set priorities that match your deepest dreams. Master Your Time guides you through the process of figuring out what really matters. He encourages you to list your most important tasks and consider which actions will move you forward and which ones will just fill your day. This book shows you how to turn vague wishes into clear, easy-to-follow goals. It's like changing a blurry dream into a clear picture of your future, where every step is laid out and every minute is planned. When you start setting your priorities clearly, you create a simple guide that leads you toward your dreams. No more wandering through your day without a plan. Every action becomes a clear step toward success. But what happens when delaying tasks holds you back? We've all been there, putting off important work until the right moment arrives, only to find that the moment never comes. Thibaut Meurisse explains why we delay things. Sometimes it is fear, sometimes it is perfectionism, and sometimes it is simply feeling overwhelmed by our goals. The key, he tells you, is to act now despite these challenges. Picture this. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, you decide to take action right away. Even the smallest step can start a chain reaction, building up energy that pushes you forward. The book is filled with simple exercises to help you beat delay, whether it's the 2-minute rule or setting aside specific blocks of time for work. Every idea is meant to change hesitation into action. By using these methods, you learn that every step you take is a win over delay. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to get so much done in a day, while you struggle to check off even a few tasks? The secret is in using time-saving habits and the right tools. Thibaut Meurisse shows you how to plan your day the night before, so you start your morning with a clear list of tasks. Imagine waking up with a sense of purpose, knowing exactly what needs to be done, and having a simple plan to follow. This book is a practical guide to using modern tools, calendars, task apps, and time trackers that help you stay organized and focused. It stresses the importance of taking regular breaks, like the method of working for a set time and then resting for a few minutes. These breaks help you keep your energy up and avoid burnout. Even your work area matters. A clean, well-organized space can boost your focus, while clutter can drain your energy. By using these simple time-saving habits, create a system where every minute is used well and every task is done efficiently. Have you ever felt that, no matter how hard you work, your life feels unbalanced, leaving little time for family, friends, or yourself? Time management isn't just about squeezing more work into your day, it's about creating a balanced life that takes care of every part of you. Master Your Time shows you how to design a schedule that blends your work goals with your personal needs. Imagine a day where work, rest, and play are not in conflict but work together to make you feel whole from morning till night. Thibaut Meurisse reminds you that your time should be spent not only on work but also on building relationships, taking care of your health, and enjoying your passions. It's about setting limits that protect your time from being taken over by work and making sure that you have enough space for life's other joys. Whether it's planning time for exercise, setting aside moments for family, or simply enjoying a hobby that lifts your spirit, every part is important for a happy life. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the many tasks on your list, unsure of where to begin? The key to beating that feeling is to set clear and reachable goals. This audiobook shows you that success isn't just about having big dreams, it's about breaking those dreams into small, simple steps. Think of your goals as stepping stones across a river. Each stone is a small, doable task that, when added together, leads you to a bright future. Thibaut Meurisse encourages you to set goals that are not only clear but also easy to measure and reach. These simple, smart goals serve as your guide, making sure every effort you make is aimed at a clear target. With this approach, you're not just dreaming about success, you're building a simple path to get there. Every chapter of this audiobook offers easy exercises to help you refine your goals and create a clear plan to achieve them. Have you ever wondered what sets apart those who reach their dreams from those who stay stuck? It often comes down to habits, little routines that, over time, lead to big changes. Master Your Time shows you how to build habits that support your path to success. Imagine training yourself to work at your best every single day. The book makes it clear that success is not a sudden miracle. It comes from consistent, everyday actions. Shows you how to replace old, unhelpful habits with new, positive ones. For example, you could start with a morning routine that fills you with energy or an evening routine that helps you relax and think about your day. These small habits build a pattern of success that soon becomes a natural part of your life. Have you ever experienced a moment when you were so focused on your work that hours passed without you even noticing? That state of deep concentration is what Thibaut Meurisse urges you to seek. When you are truly absorbed in your work, distractions fade away, and every minute moves you closer to your dreams. The audiobook shares simple tips on how to reach this state by matching your tasks with your natural rhythm and cutting out needless interruptions. Have you ever wondered if the way you manage your time is stopping you from reaching your full potential. This book doesn't just give you ideas, it provides clear examples of people who changed their lives by taking control of their time. From stories of business owners who built their dreams by planning each day, to personal accounts of those who turned things around by taking back their minutes. These stories remind you that managing time is a skill anyone can learn. Have you ever thought that mastering your time is also a journey to knowing yourself better? The ideas in Master Your Time go beyond just simple scheduling. They teach you about self-discipline and self-control. When you learn to manage your time well, you also learn to manage your thoughts, feelings, and actions. You become more aware of your habits, your strengths, and the things you can improve. This awareness is the foundation of real personal growth. Imagine waking up each day with a clear purpose, where every task is a deliberate step toward your dreams, and where every minute is valued like a treasure. This is the promise of Master Your Time. Thibaut Meurisse invites you to take charge of your life by reclaiming the most limited resource you have, time. His ideas are simple yet powerful, meant to help you beat delays, eliminate distractions, and build a life that is both productive and balanced. Have you ever noticed how one small change in your daily routine can ripple out and change your whole life? That's the heart of what this audiobook is about. By mastering your time, you unlock the door to a life full of satisfaction and success. The tips and advice in this book are not just about filling your day, they're about changing how you look at life. They show you that when you take control of your time, you take control of your future. So, what are you waiting for? Why let another day pass by without making the most of every moment? Master Your Time isn't about finding a magic trick to add more hours to your day. It's about learning to use the hours you have with clear purpose and passion. It's about changing your view of time from an enemy into a strong friend on your way to success. Imagine yourself a few months from now, having put these ideas into practice. Your days are no longer a blur of endless tasks and missed chances. Instead, each morning fills you with clear direction and determination. You've spotted your time thieves and removed them from your routine. You've set clear priorities that match your deepest dreams, and every action you take is a clear step toward reaching your goals. That future is not far off, it's waiting for you, ready for your first bold step. This is your invitation to a life-changing journey, a journey where every minute counts, every task matters, and every day brings you closer to the life you've always wanted. Embrace the simple plans, follow the easy exercises, and commit to taking care of your time with care. As you put these ideas into action, you will find that managing your time is not just about planning, it's about creating a life full of balance, clear purpose, and true happiness. So, are you ready to take control? Are you ready to let go of the habits that have kept you from reaching your dreams? The path to success starts with one simple step: a choice to treat your time as the valuable treasure it is. Thibaut Meurisse's clear guidance. You now have the tools, the simple strategies, and the mindset you need to turn every minute into a chance for growth. Your journey to a more productive, balanced, and rewarding life begins now. You have the power to change your days and your life in your hands, just as a skilled artist turns a blank canvas into a beautiful picture. You, too, can shape a future of success by mastering your time. Embrace these lessons, use the simple techniques, and watch your life change minute by minute. What are you waiting for? Let this be the moment when you decide to stop watching time slip away and start making every minute count. Your breakthrough in managing your time is just one decision away. Take that step now and let your journey toward a fulfilling and accomplished life begin.